Hey guys, welcome to Digital Rakesh channel here. So guys, everyone making a YouTube video, YouTube channel for that. So how we can going for video will be training purpose. This is a tutorial for so how we can go video will be going to trending, that is mean by viral and getting for more views. Suppose we can go to YouTube channel here. I'm clicking for trending. So how it is going for trending option? The so much of people they are getting promotion by the video by using for Google Adwords. Second thing is called your good subscriber, your content is good, like comedy, anything will be there. Then definitely the view will be increased based on the option. So you can observe on YouTube here, every video we can observe it. See this one. This is all your observation. Suppose I am play one video here. Just coming to right part. See this one here. These are all for related videos. Here, these are all nothing but recommended videos. These are nothing but recommended videos. Who will be recommended videos? The video recommended by the YouTube. When the video will recommended, you got by the within 24 hours, you reach by 10,000 views. The video going to recommended mode. The video going to recommended mode. So in this purpose, we have to use option name is called vidIQ toolbar. Is one of the website to know how many people watching per hour our videos, watching our videos. So this is will be information will be give vidIQ toolbar. So this is one of the toolbar, nothing but is a browser extension. Is the browser extension. So after extension, you can log in, your account will be here. After that, we can check if you are trending one video, why it is going to trending. Suppose I can go for music option. I'll play the video here. I keep it on the pause. In nothing but pause the word. Here this coming to in the right column. Here see this one. Information I'll show you clearly here. Score will be out of 183.5. View per hour 6,50,000 people watching for view per hour. So it is going to trending the millions of views. So yeah, open this video. I show you each and every video for the view per hour, how much people are watching. They give information will be vidIQ.com. That is called toolbar option. There is a vidIQ toolbar. This will people watching for here 349.1K. That means by 3,49,000 people are watching for per hour in this video. So that is will be going to trending for your particular video. So once your video will be reaching for within 24 hours 10,000 views, the video will be going to trending on the particular YouTube channel. There's education, anything. So nowadays education is a very complicated to coming to the where into the trending. Nowadays everyone we can using for comedy or news. A lot of things are here. So in this every news here, why coming to training? This is for training for people watching for so many views, 3 hours back, 2 hours back, 657. The people watching for this news will be more fabulous. So these all will be news related. So this all will be very less views. But why trending is a news related completely. So music and everything will be the lakhs of views will be there. Coming to the movies also. Here is the option. So how is going for your video will be trending. So what is the method? In this purpose, people are using for ads. People are using for ads. Suppose just I can play any one video here. So the playing video will be in this. Like we can go for any other videos. So who are making for videos here? We can go for it in this. So here all will be coming to the part of the videos. They're all coming to be coming to my coming to channel here. So people here. This all kind of video. This video will be skip pad. and non-skippable video ads. So that all will be advertisement format, display ad, overlay ad, and skippable and non-skippable and bumper ad. Any video without skip that will be called bumper ad. That mean by less than 6-second video. That will be 5-second video. How will we promote your video on the trending purpose? In this purpose, we have to use option name is called google.com/adwords. People are using for so I have the late release time to trending my video. We have to using for Google AdWords campaign. That is a video campaign we can use to increase the views. To increase the views. So nowadays, a lot of people worry about that in this particular option. Now people will be searching for songs. Here people will be searching for songs here. In the song, why it is going for training. So in this song, the another song will be promoting for in your option. So every song, why you can showing for top list, that all will be promoting for Google AdWords. In this campaign name is called select your campaign. In the campaign, two things are there. What are the two things? The two things are with goal, without goal. So sale, the supporting for here. Search, display, shopping, video, smart and discovery. Leads, search, display, shopping, video, smart and discovery. Website traffic. The video looking for website traffic, go for search, display, shopping, video, discovery. Here, product and brand consideration, display and video, awareness and reach. This will be coming to display and video. So these all particular options are here. Suppose without goal, the option will be called video. They're promoting for custom video campaign. Then video will be skippable, in-stream, bumper ads, and video discovery ads. Here, sponsor ad, bumper ad, non-skippable, skippable, and overlay and display ads. So here, all information. So when ad will be shown to the customer, they will be showing for your video for other YouTube channel or other YouTube playlist option. So in this one, which one are you promoting in this here? Skippable, non-skippable, everything. So you're selecting for custom one or non-skippable. Non-skippable up to 15 seconds. The video will be need by only for 15 seconds. So I go for conversion. Brand awareness and reach the video, skippable, bumper, non-skippable, house stream, ad sequence. I'm selecting for skip ad. Why? Because my video will be more than 15 second, more than 6 second. 6 second and 15 second, especially is a non-skippable video ads. So yeah, I'm open my channel here. So this is my first video. I have to promote. This will be 25 seconds. So start procedure, skippable video ad, click for continue. Procedure follow carefully. When you're reaching your 10,000 views, automatically the video going to trending will be start after recommendation mode. Here will be the charge will be CPM, cost per mile. These are brand awareness and reach. The nobody can click only for brand awareness and reach. Suppose this here will be showing ads, everything will be here. See this ads are here. Now start here. The CPM. You will be selecting for two ways, daily budget and campaign total. Campaign total nothing but once your budget will be finished, up to ad will be continuous will be running. So my budget will be 1200. Start date, end date. When I'm not finishing any end date here, anytime run my particular ad. So my ad will be campaign total will be 1200. So here is compulsory you have to show end date. Is a compulsory required when you mention for the campaign total. If you go for daily budget, not specific for the end date option, is not looking for end date. If you mention by campaign total, we have to running will be here only for 3 days. Budget done, end date done, and video ad format done. After that, 1200 campaign total amount will be 400 daily budget. Amount runs for 3 days. Where you can run? Only I can specific for Hyderabad. No, all for India. All language, a specific language. I'm give you for specific language. Inventor type is standard. Ad group. Commonly ad group will purpose of ad creation purpose. Demographic. Age people, men, women, everything will be related purpose. So this video up to 44 years. So nothing will be changed. After that, keyword. Any specific keyword you have to do that. So your searching will be say specific keyword will be digital marketing. So I'm searching for the digital marketing. So I give only for one keyword. Any specific topic, education, arts and science, books or anything. So I can target my video each and every category, not for one specific category. What is the CPM budget? Here, CPM nothing but careful watch. CPM nothing but mile nothing but 1,000 impression. Cost for 1,000 impression, it will be charged. People watching ad will be 1,000 times for 1,000 members, it will be charged. So I'll give charge will be 15 rupees. It is acceptable. The click will be accept. That is called bid. If anybody asks an interview question, what is mean by bidding? Bidding nothing but the specific click and impression cost or view cost. So for people watching for on your impression wise, 1,000 impression. In 1,000 people watching, how much amount will be deducted and deduct only for 15 rupees. Now out of my 200 rupees budget for campaign running for 3 days, per day 400. In this 400, for each 1,000 impression, we can charge deducted by the 15 rupees. This budget you can give by manual option. After that, you can add will be created by here. So I can give my channel ad. I'm not give other channel ad here. So final URL will be here. So final URL you can mention by my YouTube channel URL. I can go for any other URLs. If you give any call to action, nothing but we can give your phone number, etc. will be option here. Here you can writing for your channel name. In this, they will show you for Google partner site. Coming to the part of here, videos. In this option will be here. Any member will be play the video. In this, our ad will be shown to customer will be in this particular ad also. When people are watching here, they're showing for different ads will be shown to the customer. There is an overlay, skippable, non-skippable, anything possible in this option here. This is nothing but we have show option name is called Google partner site. They're showing for websites here and YouTube. YouTube will be skip ad and here desktop and mobile phone. They're supporting for desktop and mobile phone also. Finally, you create your campaign. In this, your small option will be pending here. You can go back in this particular campaign here. Just I'm forwarding the back. So in this option, click for save. Ad will be successful run pending for a review. So go back. Our ad will be first campaign. After that, ad group. In ad group, your name is there. The ad group, you can go to your particular video ad will be there. This how you can show the preview ad desktop and here preview on your desktop. You can check your ad will be here. The users see your ad will be like this. The people like and dislike. Finally, they go to your channel option. So this is the ad purpose. So they not go to that channel will be here. They're showing for which one? The people for the first time is coming for your channel. Click for subscribe button. In this purpose, we have to use this in the particular URL. After channel that one, question mark, sub underscore, confirmation is equal to 1. That is called any new user open for your channel, you get for the subscribe button. So this is a method we have to go for the trending purpose. The video in a particular format we can use on this particular option. In this year, we can all will be here particular things. So edit, change budget, everything. I can go for change budget. Let have new budget here. So yeah. So average, complete total, apply now. So I'm changing for my budget will be up to 15,000. Previous I'm adding for 1200, now I'm adding for 15,000. So after that, so edit, change budget, bidding strategies. Any strategy will be changed here. What is our viewable CPM? Click for apply it. So lot of things are will be there in the particular in your option. So this is all nothing but to create the video views for increasing for views and traffic for trending purpose. This trending will be support for each and every channel to get for more views and will come into the trending based on our categories option. So this is a method we can follow, or else once you creating ad, the getting for subscribers to increase by the views, the video going to trending based on the viewership. So follow the structure and increase the views by using for skip and non-skippable. Any format required, you can go to option support.google.com/YouTube. Every question they will get by answer will be here in the particular link. Follow this information and increase by the your views and getting for trending purpose. And guys, if you like the videos, like, comment, subscribe our channel, Digital Rakesh, and ask your question about the AdWords. We'll make the video upload for channel and looking for reference on the latest technology digital marketing purpose. Thank you. Thank you for watching.